We got the man here. You know, I go all over the United States, New York, California, wherever it is. When I mention Sam Choy, everybody knows Sam Choy. He's the man of aloha. If you go to Japan, I said, do you know Sam Choy? They said, oh, Choy-san, wakarimasu. I go to France, oh, Pierre, you know Sam Choy? Oui. I go to Mexico. I go to Mexico. I ask Diego, my friend, hey, you know Sam Choy? Oh, Senor Sam Choy. Oh, yeah, si.
Mucho tequila.
I tell you, everybody knows Sam Choy, the man of aloha. Hey, Sam. Everybody knows Sam Choy, but nobody knows how to make ulu.
That's a very good point. But you know what? It's not as hard as people think it is. As you know, we peeled it real quick. We made two really quick dishes. And I think more importantly, these dishes here can be really well loved by people of Hawaii. You know, we got the Portuguese style where they boil it in salted water with chili pepper. I think you did that the other night.
Yeah.
Fried it in butter. That's good too. When you're eating like, you know, vingadois or if you're eating like fried fish, great.
Yeah.
But for the younger generation, how about some poke, ulu poke? And then of course we made some
ulu fries. So Sam, show us how to make ulu fries and ulu poke.
Okay.
You're the man of poke.
All right.
And you know what? You make them. I like to see you make them with aloha.
Okay.
Sam sliced off the skin. He sliced the ulu in quarters, removed the center core, sliced it in poke cubes, and also in ulu strip. Then placed it in the deep fryer.
We're not in a can of oil. Beautiful. Look how easy.
Yeah. Oh, that was so fast, like in minutes.
Hey, only minutes. Right here, boom.
What do you think? You know, you think the whole world should start eating poke?
Hey, I tell you what, ulu poke is the most healthiest dish on earth. You can steam it while we deep frying, but you can steam it, you can boil it. Cool it down and make your poke. But what's more exciting, when the cost of fish is outrageous, hey, bring in the ulu and the tofu. You got it.
Sam tests if it was ready.
Woo! Good.
Look at this. Very nice, huh? I got the ulu in here, already cubed up. I put the onions. And then I need some soy sauce.
Yo, aloha shoyu.
Aloha shoyu. Brian. Hey, Brian. Just a little bit of soy sauce. A little
Oyster sauce.
oyster sauce, a little bit.
Sesame oil.
Yeah, a little bit of sesame seed oil. And then we wake them up with the sriracha. And then give them the mix. Look at this. Yeah. Huh? Look at that.
Okay.
All right, man. And then let's take this right. Let's put our little fries around. Oh, look at that ulu. This is with ulu now. Stuff that people see fall on the road, explode. Don't let it fall on the road. Here's to you. Aloha.
You know what? It looks so good, Sam. Let's see how it tastes.
Okay, you know the proof's in the pudding. We gotta taste this.
Okay, I want to taste the fries first.
Taste the fries.
Okay. What kind of sauce you made?
I made little ketchup, little sriracha, and little oyster sauce. Little
Thanks,
you know me, I always doctor things out. That's why they call me Sam, the doctor of food.
Okay, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, Chris, this is for you. Oh, shit.
Every restaurant should try to put this baby out. Better than fries.
Well, people don't realize that it's gluten-free.
Oh, gluten-free. Gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
Okay, with the ulu with steak. Oh,
Man,
that ulu with hamburger. Oh,
Hey, oh no.
Oh.
Anything like you like eat with potato, the ulu
oh,
would move the
oh.
move the potato aside. Anyway, let's get into this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, chowder. Make good
Yeah,
chowder.
yeah. And the leftover, I make good salad with that. Potato salad. Ulu salad.
Yeah, here we go. Ulu
Oh
salad.
yeah. Poke.
Okay.
Hey, Sam Poke.
Ulu poke.
Wow! Oh!
Wow.
Oh! Oh! Oh, Sam!
What's it? What's it?
Oishi, oishi. There you go. Hey, ulu poke. poke, ulu fries, and there's many other dishes too, right?
I love this. This is
You give me all kind of
all
other
kinds.
dishes.
Unlimited.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Aloha.
Aloha.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now an even simpler way to serve ulu. Now available at KTA frozen, farmer-owned, locally grown, locally manufactured ulu. It is peeled, power cooked, and recipe ready. Use it like potatoes. Good source of fiber, non-GMO, and naturally gluten-free. Recipes found on website eatbreadfruit.com. Hurry on to KTA and buy your par cooked, recipe ready ulu today. Aloha!